Hey guys, welcome along CareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I want to talk to you about some wooden chips we had chipped up by an old tree we had taken out. It was kind of diseased, and so we decided to have it taken out before we had a harsh wind and it just blew it over. We usually park our cars under it, but it was just getting to a point where it was dropping a lot of limbs. It was an old oak tree. It was an old oak tree, and it just got to a point where we just need to have it taken out. So we had some wooden, we had some limbs chipped up, and we were going to use that in some of our beds. I've seen different perspectives of where to use this and where not to use it. So I'm going to kind of clear a lot of that up today. Now, I've used this in the past. I've used these wooden chips, and let me show you where they are. So here's our wooden chips. Okay. So it's a pretty good pile. It's not bad. It's a pretty good pile, and I can use that around some of my trees. Now, I've done this in the past. We have a landfill close by, and they give away free mulch because a lot of the tree companies will take their trees that they do storm cleanup or anything like that. They'll take it there, and the landfill will chip it up, and the residents of that county that I live in will be able to get this mulch for free, which is really good. The only thing that has happened in the past is that I brought in some ambrosia beetles when I've done this in the past. Okay, so the reason I'm telling you this is because when I brought in that mulch, it was diseased. Okay, it had those beetles in it, and those beetles live in the ground, and then they come out in the spring and they'll attack your older trees. Now, the younger trees, they don't bother as much, but the older trees, they can pretty much take those out. Okay, I lost a pear tree over it and a fig tree, and it just for me, it was surprising that happened, but that kind of things happen. So the reason I'm telling you this is if you have a diseased tree, I wouldn't recommend putting any type of chips around healthy trees. Okay, I would just have that whole tree taken out. Now, I have used other chips in the past, and it's worked out fine. But the ones I got from the landfill were just not. It just didn't work out. But now these wooden chips, you can see. I mean, it's good stuff. They've been here probably a couple weeks now. Let me get a good view of that here. I mean, it's starting to break down a little bit. They've been here probably about a month and a half now. You can see some mold starting to grow on it, but that's kind of normal. But what we're not going to use that in, we have some garden beds, and so we're not going to use that in my garden beds. What that does is your plant cannot grow in this. Okay, if you're going to use it as a type of soil. Okay, this will have to be broken down for probably about a year. This will probably take about a year for it to break down. Now, if I turn it constantly, if I put a tarp over it, that would help it break it down probably within about 6 months. But that's constantly wetting it, turning it over, and just letting the heat from the summer just kind of bake that and just break it down. But if I can't take these fresh chippings and put them in my garden bed. Okay, all that's going to do is it's just going to strip the nitrogen, and we're just not going to be able to plant anything. So if you're going to use these chips, if you have any of these, if you're going to put them in your landscaping beds, put them around trees or anything like that, that's fantastic. I think it's going to break down as long as they're not diseased and you know where that tree is coming from. Okay. These right here, I probably won't do that because I did think our trees had a disease. So what I'll probably do is I have an empty area that I'll probably just suppress the weeds in there and just spread them in that. And that would probably be all I'll do with them. But do not put these near your home. If you have these and you're going to put them in your landscaping beds, make sure those landscaping beds are pretty far out from your home because I have seen these types of fresh wooden chips cause termites. So I wouldn't put those near the home. Okay, so just be careful in using these. I know a lot of people do it and it works out great. As long as they don't have, as long as you know where they come from, what tree it was, and you're not bringing disease or any type of pest into your lawn to hurt your other trees, because I know that can be a real pain in the butt, because I have suffered from that. But I just wanted to do a quick video and just let y'all know about this in case you have this, in case you were thinking about using these types of chips around any of your landscaping beds or around your trees. That way you're kind of informed on what needs to be done with them. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.